Hello, it's Cassie here with Trinity Stamps, and I'm excited to be sharing a product release video for the Enchanted Woods release. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Scripty Mother's Day die set. This sentiment die set features 4 die words and their shadow layers. It contains a total of 10 dies. Your words are happy, Mother's Day, and Mom. And you'll notice that those shadows for mothers and for mom and day those are connected to each other, but they do cut out separately. Here's what they look like. You can take a closer look at what those look like when they're all die cut out and used with their shadow. And obviously you can combine the apostrophe and the S with either mother's or mom, so you can have several different sentiments. So let's take a look at the card I made for you today. I just decided to make mine Happy Mom Day because I think that's fun and I say that to my mom. Now let's take a look at what some of the rest of the design team has made for you. There are some absolutely beautiful samples. Be sure to check out all that Trinity Stamps has going on over on their blog, Facebook page, and Instagram for more crafty inspiration. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you have a great day.